Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to put the soft top back on a Ford Bronco, only ways. Start by clearing space and laying out all parts, then check seals for wear and clean the frame rails using a lint-free rag and mild cleaner, making sure the latches and bows move freely. And confirm you have one helper to steady the top while you align it to prevent damage and ensure smooth clips. Positioning matters, so start at the windshield header and work rearward with a helper. Lift the front into the header and engage center fasteners first, then insert side bows into channels evenly while watching both sides, and gently pull the rear down to locate the tailgate seal so the fabric sits without tension, ensuring each latch clicks securely as you progress for a smooth, watertight fit. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more hands-on Bronco tips. Quick recommendation: grab the Simple Path to Wealth if you want clear financial thinking. It pairs nicely with fixing your ride by calming the money stress, and it makes a funny contrast to wrenches and straps. Check the description for the link and special deals. Thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once clipped, take time to tension and trim slack methodically. Start with center latches, then fasten side clips and adjust straps until fabric lays flat but not overstressed. Check zipper runs and door clearances, and press seals to verify contact across the frame. Then drive slowly for 1 mile and recheck each latch and strap to catch any shifting so your soft top stays secure and weatherproof.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.